The digital marketing industry is currently worth over 780 billion US dollars, and the growth rate of this particular industry is between 11 to 13%. So if you are looking to actually pivot into the world of digital marketing, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be walking you through on how to learn digital marketing, especially a critical area of digital marketing that is called performance marketing. And it is going to be a step-by-step guide to actually walk you through if you are beginning in your learning phase. So basically, one of the very crucial things to understand is that businesses are now shifting from the fact that they want to be seen on the media space alone, they want to be having some level of visibility. No, businesses are now trying to be more accountable for every dollar that is being spent on their digital marketing channels, and that is why they are kind of like looking for digital marketing specialists who have a special focus on performance marketing to help them run their marketing campaigns on the digital space. So my name is Sherifdeen, and if you are looking to dive into the amazing world of performance marketing, but you don't know where to start, or perhaps you are kind of like confused on which way to go about it, then this video is exactly for you, because I'm going to be putting you through in a step-by-step approach how personally I will learn performance marketing over and over again if I was to start in this current year of 2024. So let's talk about how to focus your efforts on performance marketing, because it involves using various platforms to drive measurable results. And one of the very critical things to understand is that for every performance marketing campaigns that is being launched, a lot of businesses, like majority of businesses, often start from Google search ads, YouTube ads, and Meta ads for their platform. Like almost more than 90% of businesses start from this platform. So if you are looking to learn performance marketing, it is very essential to actually start your learning from any of these three platforms. And it is also very essential because whatever knowledge you learn and how to run campaigns on Google search ads, you can easily transition this knowledge into Bing ads. And also, if you learn how to run Meta ads easily, you can crack LinkedIn ads and Twitter ads conveniently. So why these three platforms? Because majority of this ad spend that is spent on the media channels are actually going into these three major platforms. So that is why it is very, very highly recommended to actually start your learning journey from this platform, and that is exactly what I will recommend. So you must understand that in learning performance marketing, and in order to become a very solid one at that, what you must do is the fact that try to focus on your expertise in just one channel first. Like, don't be learning this and learning that and just like doing things in a very, very shabby method. Focus on learning one particular platform, and I will recommend Google search ads, because this actually focuses on like it is an intent-based platform, and it helps you to generate results quicker and even better and faster than a lot of these other platforms. Although this is very this can be argued by a lot of other people, but even apart from the kind of results that you can get from Google search ads, it is often even easy for new learners to actually launch and run and manage their campaigns on this platform, because the variables are lesser, and it is kind of like easier to execute, and also it has some very excellent and effective learning resources to get new learners started in their learning journey. So now let's talk about how to learn without a middleman. You don't like that. What I mean is, you don't need any paid course, you don't need to buy any paid subscription, you don't need to pay any expensive make any expensive payments to buy any course. You just need to be deliberate with your learning, experiment effectively, document your learnings, and internalize everything, and also repeat this process continuously. So where do you start learning exactly? I will recommend that you actually start from the actual creators of this platform. The Google search ads has a kind of platform which is called Google Skillshop. So there's a particular subscription course on it which is called the Google Ads Search Certification by this Google Skillshop, which you can actually use to start your learning. And also you can also start with Meta ads. There are media buying courses on the Meta ads platform, which is aimed to at letting you become a certified media buying professional. So you can learn planning, you can learn management of media campaigns and on Meta ads conveniently from this platform. So that is how to actually crack this learning phase conveniently without any paid cost with these free resources. So performance marketing is just about media buying and planning and all that. You also need to master the aspect of the creatives, the landing page aspect, the audience, and the pixel. For creative, you need to be able to like craft compelling ads, and for landing page, you need to like understand the psychology behind the landing pages in order to like convert traffic effectively, like know how to actually strategically position the call to actions, know how to actually use the combinations of the hierarchy and everything to actually drive amazing results for the action that you actually desire conveniently. So let's break down this aspect into some very two focused areas that is often difficult for new learners, and this is the landing page and the pixels aspect. In order to choose the right pixels to optimize for, it is critical to actually avoid optimizing for pixels at the very top or bottom of the funnel. Like focus on the middle part of the marketing funnel, and you must aim for like the middle funnel, such as the phone actions, like the phone submit button, like thank you page, and also you must also evaluate your pixels. And one thing you must have at the back of your mind is that experimentation is very key. Experiment, and experiment. With free versus paid lead generation techniques, you can experiment which one is working better for your business. Maybe using free lead magnet, or just attaching a little money like paid webinar to the lead magnet. Which one is working better? So you must actually dive into this experimentation to know which one actually works for whatever businesses you are working with. And one thing you must understand is that it is very essential to internalize and learn and absorb this knowledge. You must make generous notes. You must like practice effectively. You must even if, in fact, I recommend that you look for even if you have to apply for internship, you look for platforms where you can actually run campaigns and help them to like run live campaigns to actually learn a lot about this platform and how to actually optimize, launch, and manage many of these campaigns. And that's it. And that's exactly how I would recommend that you learn performance marketing over and over again to actually become a solid performance marketing specialist. There are lots of other resources like books that can actually help you to focus your knowledge and help you to like avoid a lot of distractions, and also guide you through on your learning phase. So if you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials on digital marketing. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.